You know, for years I've sat on this stage and we've talked to women from every walk of life. We've heard stories of triumph, of heartbreak, of resilience, but there's one thread that I've seen woven through so many of these stories, a question that lingers in the air like unspoken truth. And that question is this: what does it really take for a woman to make it in this world? We live in a society that often tells women they have to choose between their ambition and their integrity, to choose between their dreams and their dignity. It's almost as if the message is, you want to sit at the table? Well, be prepared to pay the price. But I'm here to tell you that's a lie. You don't have to shrink yourself to dim your light to compromise who you are to get ahead. You don't have to sleep with anyone to become someone. You don't have to trade your body for favors, your voice for approval, or your peace for attention. You can win. Your way. God's way. A woman's way. And that's what we're going to talk about today, so get ready. Because this is for every woman who's ever been told she has to choose. This is for the women who know their worth and refuse to settle for anything less. This is Get What You Want Without Compromise, a woman's guide. Sisters, let me tell you something. You cannot win a battle if you don't know the weapon you carry. And as a woman, your mind is your weapon. It's your most valuable asset. It's sharper than any stiletto, more powerful than any sports car, and more influential than any bank account. You see, the world will try to define you. It will try to put you in a box, tell you what you can and cannot achieve. But here's the truth. You are the author of your own story. You get to decide who you are and what you will become. And that journey starts with self-knowledge. Before you try to get anything from life, a job, a promotion, a partnership, a home, you must answer this. Who are you when no one's watching? What are your values? What are your non-negotiables? What do you stand for? If the only power you think you have is your body, then life will treat you like a commodity. But if you walk in like a woman of purpose, a woman who knows her worth, the room will shift. Not because you're seductive, but because you're secure. Now let's be honest, there are women who did it. Slept their way to the top, flirted their way into boardrooms, and maybe for a moment it seemed like an easy path. But let me tell you something, sisters, most times, they paid for it later. With trauma, regret, blackmail, or worse, loss of self-respect. Because here's the hard truth. What you use to get it, you'll have to keep using to keep it. A man who gave you the job because of your body will threaten to take it away the moment you say no. He'll hold it over your head, make you feel like you owe him something. And that, my dear, is not power. That's being controlled. Think about it. If you have to compromise your values, your integrity, your very essence to get ahead, what have you truly achieved? You might have the corner office, but will you have peace of mind? You might have the fancy title, but will you have your dignity? You deserve more than that. You deserve to reach your full potential without having to compromise who you are. You deserve to stand tall and proud, knowing that you earned your success through hard work, dedication, and talent. Okay, ladies, let's get real. You want to climb that ladder of success? It's not about who you know, it's about what you know, how you show it. It's about ditching the diva act and embracing excellence. We've all seen it. The woman who thinks flirting is her superpower. Honey, that gets old real quick. What lasts is your dedication, your passion, your commitment to being the best at what you do. That's what makes heads turn and jaws drop. When you walk into a room knowing your stuff, owning your expertise, that's magnetic, that's powerful. And that, my friends, is what commands respect. So, put in the work, hone your skills, become a master of your craft. Because when you're undeniably good, you don't need shortcuts. You become the shortcut. Let's talk about confidence, that unshakable belief in yourself that draws people in. It's not about being the loudest voice in the room, it's about the power of your presence. You don't need to wear a low-cut top to be noticed. You need to walk in purpose. You don't have to be loud and boisterous to be heard. You need to speak with clarity and conviction. Real power isn't about manipulation or seduction. It's about the quiet strength that comes from knowing your worth. It's about the courage to be authentically you without apology. So stand tall. Look people in the eye. Speak your truth with grace and power. That's the kind of confidence that can't be ignored. That's how you own your space in the world. We've all encountered them. The gatekeepers, the ones who want to make you believe that success is a prize they get to hand out. They dangle it like bait, making you think you need their approval, their permission, their blessing. But here's the truth, ladies. You don't need anyone to unlock your future. You hold the key. You have everything within you right now to achieve your dreams. Stop shrinking yourself to fit into their boxes. Stop dimming your light to make them feel comfortable. Stop apologizing for your ambition, your drive, your desire to create a life you love. You are not defined by their limited vision. You are a force of nature, capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. So break free from the bait. It's time to rewrite the rules of the game. Listen, ladies, we can't change the game without knowing how it's played. We've all been in those rooms, right? Where the air is thick with unspoken rules and expectations. We see how things work, how decisions are made, and sometimes it can feel like the only way to win is to play dirty, to shrink ourselves down, to dim our light. But I'm here to tell you, that's a lie. You don't have to compromise who you are to succeed. Study your industry, learn the language, understand the power dynamics. Yes, dress the part, walk with confidence, but never ever let them tell you that your integrity is optional, because the moment you compromise your values, you lose your power, you lose your voice. And honey, we didn't come this far to be silenced. We are here to rewrite the rules. Sisters, listen closely. Your journey, your fight, your climb to the top. It's not just about you. There's a young girl watching your every move, soaking it all in. She's studying how you handle yourself, how you overcome obstacles, how you win in this world. When you walk with integrity, when you refuse to compromise your values, you don't just pave your own way, you light a path for her. She sees that you can be successful without selling your soul, that you can reach the top without stooping low. That, my friends, is powerful. It's the kind of legacy we need to be building, one of strength, resilience, and unwavering self-worth. We don't need more women playing the game the way men designed it. We need more trailblazers, more women who stand tall in their truth and show the next generation that they can do the same. Be that example. Be the proof that a woman can achieve anything she sets her mind to, with grace, dignity, and her head held high. Now let's talk about the real secret to success. It's not about your looks, your charm, or your ability to play the game. It's not about who you know or who you can seduce. It's about something much deeper, something much more powerful. It's about faith. It's about tapping into a power greater than ourselves, a force that guides our steps and opens doors that no human hand can shut. And here's the beautiful thing about faith. It doesn't require you to compromise. It doesn't ask you to shrink yourself or dim your light. In fact, it calls you to step into your full potential, to walk boldly in your purpose, knowing that you are divinely guided and protected. You want to get what you want out of life? Then remember this. You are not for sale. You are not for rent. You are not somebody's shortcut. You are a woman, a builder, a visionary. You are the answer to a problem. You are the solution to a crisis. You are already enough. Don't let them reduce you to a body. You are a mind, a spirit, a soul, a force, and you can get everything you desire without compromising one piece of who you are. Stay bold, stay wise, stay free. Subscribe for more bold, beautiful truth. This is Women's Corner 61.